When we started investing in CNC equipment approximately 4 years ago, to be honest, we thought CNC equipment was more set for a shop doing higher production runs, and this definitely was not the case. For us, doing one-offs, intricate parts, and small production runs, the CNC equipment has been a great fit for us.
North Star Technical has always been a part of our family. My father started the company in 1986, and at one point or another, all my siblings have worked here.
Oftentimes in the summer, our father would bring us in and make us sweep floors for a summer job, and we'd help deburr parts and package parts for our customers.
Right now, my two older brothers and I run the day-to-day operations, and my father has since retired.
And the company started out as a small weld repair and machine shop facility offering repairs to the very local industry here in Hamilton. Since then, we've grown to offer CNC machining, welding, fabricating, millwrighting, and dynamic balancing services.
Well, we get into a wide range of industries and clients served. That's why a good, versatile CNC machine is very good for a company like us.
North Star was introduced to Mazak approximately 4 years ago at Montreal Machine Show. That's when we met Bob Kanarick.
My history with North Star began in 2014 when they were starting to look for a new piece of equipment. I started working with North Star Technical on the VTC 805G with smooth G control for the benefit of the 120 inches of X-axis travel and also the stationary table, which allowed them to use larger components.
Our newest Mazak machine is the VTC 805G. This machine has been great for us. It's very versatile for the style of work that we get into. It holds the big and long parts that we get into, and then it also has a split table so we can do multiple setups. Yeah, our Mazak machines help with our customer relations and our customer satisfaction because of the amount of versatility that we get out of the machine, especially our newest VTC 805G. We can just handle more capacity and be more versatile with our parts, so of course our customers are going to be happier when we can do more for them.
We're not just a machine shop or a fabricating facility. We offer our customers the service, support, and the quality along the way.
Often customers will come to North Star Technical with a broken part that the OEM doesn't support anymore. And we'll take the part and we'll look into what material it was made out of, the hardness that it was made in. We'll visit our customer's facility to tour where the part is being in operation to make sure that we supply them with a proper part that's just the same as OEM or if not better. A lot of North Star Technical's success has come from the fact that we are a family business. It's not just the Pinelli family, it's the North Star family. And a lot of the guys that we have working here have been here 25, 30 years. And that bond together has become very strong, and it's an open communication with all the guys. And that communication is key to bringing our customers a good quality product.